Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing fried chicken wings in the Ninja Speedy. Very easy recipe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you can get my future videos. Let's get into the cook. Okay, so before we get started, this is what you're going to need for this cook. So here I've got 6 chicken wings. They're whole chicken wings. You're going to need 1.5 cups of flour. We are going to be using 3/4 of a cup of water. And for the seasonings, I've got a tablespoon of garlic salt, a tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper. If you'd like to change these spices out, you can definitely do that, but that's what you're going to need. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing that you want to do, we got our 1.5 cups of flour and then all the seasonings that I had shown to you. Just dump all of that in there, and because you definitely want the flour to be seasoned as well, and then mix everything up just like this. Get it all mixed up, make sure everything's really well mixed up, and then set this aside. Alright, so next you definitely want to season up your chicken wings as well as the flour. Just going to give it more flavor. So we're going to add some garlic salt first. We're going to keep this very simple. And actually the garlic salt, and then we'll be using some pepper as well, but this for a base is a great flavor. So some garlic salt everywhere, and then some either fresh cracked black pepper or regular table pepper, whatever you like. That is up to you. Or if you want to season it with something else, definitely feel free to do that as well. Get that pepper everywhere. So we got everything seasoned up on one side. I'm going to turn this over and season the top, and we'll take it to the next step. Alright, next step, so we've got the top and the bottom of the chicken seasoned. We've got our flour seasoned as well. Very simple. Take your chicken, put it in, and then make sure to just coat the whole thing with the flour mixture. It's got that great seasoning in there. Get in there, get every little nook and cranny, I guess, and get everything. Then just give it a little shake, and that's what you got. I got a plate over here. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera, and then we'll meet you at the Ninja. Okay, so now we're at the Ninja. The unit is not on. Let's open the top and show you what we're using here. So we've got the roaster, or the drip pan, and then the roaster rack that's going to stay in there on the bottom level. First thing we want to do is we have our 3/4 cups of water. Just dump that right in there. Now we want to go in with our chicken legs. Now what you want to do is the top of the chicken, bottom, top, you want the top to be facing down. So we're going to get all of these in here. Okay, so we've got all 6 of those in there, and they fit just perfectly. Now we are going to close the top, turn the unit on. We want to be over on the rapid cook side. We are going down to steam and crisp. Our temperature will be 375 degrees. Our time will remain at 20 minutes. Hit start. This will take a few minutes to preheat. It's going to start steaming and getting that flour wet so it can crisp up and fry. And then after that, I'll start counting down. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, we're counting down from 20 minutes. So at 5 minutes, we're going to open this up and take a look. And those are looking absolutely delicious. Looking crispy and everything so far. And then from here, what we want to do is we want to flip them. Okay, so you get some tongs, make sure they got some plastic or rubber or Teflon or whatever on the tip so you don't scratch everything. And we're just going to give them all a good flip. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that, but they are crispy. Oh yeah, looking good. So we're going to flip all these. All right, so we got them all flipped, and that's what they're looking like. And from here, we got 5 minutes left on the timer. Just drop that top, let it resume. We'll see you then. All right, guys, we're counting down on that last 5 minutes. We are going to open it up here in just a minute, just to make sure they're crispy enough. So let's take a look. All right, so they're looking good. They are looking good. They are crispy. I like them a little crispier. So what we're gonna do, close the top. I'm gonna add 3 minutes. That's the great thing about the Ninja. If you need to add some time, go ahead and do it. I'm gonna add 3 minutes. We'll see you then. It'll be perfect. Okay, so we're counting down. We just added 3 additional minutes just to get them to the crispiness that I like. You know, I usually do it at 20 minutes. No big deal. We added 3 minutes. I'm gonna open this up. Let's take a look. These should be perfect. Oh yeah. Let me bring you in here real quick so we could take a look. Up a little bit here. And those are perfect. And I can tell they're crispy and they're good to go. So I'm gonna take these out. We'll meet you at the cutting board. All right, so here is what we ended up with. Crispy fried chicken wings. Now, the only thing left to do is see, are they crispy? Yeah. Are you kidding me? Those are amazing. And then I'm gonna pull it apart just to show you guys it's completely cooked inside. We're gonna take a bite. Oh, yeah. Those are so good. You got the drumstick, then you got the flat. Try the flat. I mean, honestly, I like the flats a little better. It don't really matter. I like them all, but you know, drop a comment below. Do you like the flats better? The drumsticks better? But fall apart and crispy. Oh my gosh, so good. Don't go anywhere. I'll meet you up top. All right, so we are finished with the cooked, crispy, awesome chicken wings. And they're whole chicken wings. You know, not winglets, but you know, whole chicken wings. Those things are awesome. Now, also drop a comment below. Do you like to eat the little flipper? I love the flipper. It's just always so crunchy and crispy. I love it. Oh, so good. Drop a comment. Tell me if you like that. But really, really easy. So 23 minutes total time to get some fried chicken wings. Try this out. Tell me what you think. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you're notified when my future videos come out. Give a thumbs up. Please drop an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.